Yes, children. The another important physical division of India is, so just now we have seen about Deccan Plateau. Before that we have covered the northern mountains which include Himalayas, northern plains which is also called Indo-Gangetic Plain, and next Peninsular Plateau. So as a part of Peninsular Plateau, we have seen about Deccan Plateau. Now the another important physical division is coastal plains. So what, first of all, you have to know the meaning of a coastal plain. The plain which you can find along the sea or ocean, it is called coastal plain. The plain area which you can see along a sea or ocean, that is called a coast. Particularly, if you find a plain very near to that coast, that is called coastal plain. The place which actually runs along a sea is called coast. If you find a plain very near to that coast, that is called coastal plain. So in our country, as we have got nearly 7,517 kilometers of coastline. How many kilometers we have got coastline? 7,517 kilometers. That means the nearly 9 states you can find in the coastal area. That is 9 coastal states, but particularly Gujarat you can find here, Maharashtra, Goa, next Karnataka, Kerala. What are those? Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala. Next Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Orissa, West Bengal. In this way, total 9 coastal states you can see, and nearly 7,517 kilometers of coastline. And this coastal plain actually start with Gujarat in the west and West Bengal in the east. It starts at Gujarat and ends at West Bengal. You have to remember. And let us see the west coastal plain. The west coastal plain actually situated between the Western Ghats here. What do you find here? Western Ghats. Already I told you. Western Ghats. Ghats means the series of hills, what you can see. Western Ghats. Western Ghats and here Arabian Sea. The west coastal plain located between Western Ghats and coastal Arabian Sea in the west. And in the east, what you find? That is Eastern Ghats. Eastern Ghats. There is a gap here because of the two rivers. That is the Eastern Ghats. So these are located between Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. Which one? East coastal plain. Understood? So west coastal plain, east coastal plain. Now west coastal plain, you have to see some important points. These are divided into again some parts. Konkan coast, which you can find completely in the north. Next middle, Kendra coast, particularly Karnataka. Next Malabar coast, which you can find in Kerala. Into how many parts here regarding our regarding the lower classes standards means it is divided into 3 parts. That is the first one, Konkan coast, Canara coast, Malabar coast. Konkan coast, Canara coast, Malabar coast. So this is about west coastal plain. Remember. Next, coming to the east coastal plain. The eastern coastal plain located between Bay of Bengal and the Eastern Ghats. Located between what? Bay of Bengal and Eastern Ghats. This is the first point. Second one. The eastern coastal plain is somewhat broader than west coastal plain. The east coastal plain is somewhat broader than west coastal plain. This second. Next, how the western coastal plain is divided into Konkan, Canara and Malabar coast. In the same way, the east coastal plain is also divided into 3 parts. Those are, first important one, Northern Sarkars and Coromandel coast. Just they have divided 2 parts here according to our textbook. Of course, there are some other Utkal coast is also there. Regarding particularly Bengal coast is also there for West Bengal. Not like that. But here they have divided 2 parts. Northern Sarkars and Coromandel coast. And this east coastal plain is actually dissected, divided into two parts, three parts by the rivers like Godavari, Kaveri, Mahanadi, and Krishna. Because whenever they originate in the west, they flow towards east and they join into the Bay of Bengal. Because of that, this coastal plain is divided into so many parts. Understood? So this is about east coastal plain. Okay, so briefly see, the coastal plains are of two here, the west coastal plain and the east coastal plain, and there are 9 coastal states, and the length of coastal plain is 7,570, and then the west coastal plain is divided into 3, Konkan, Kendra, Malabar, and east coastal plain is divided into 2 here, Northern Sub-Carson, Coromandel coast. Okay, thank you children.